let's go explore the skies. B is for the books where every magic lies. C is for the castles, tall and grand and wide. Join the ABC adventure. Come and take a ride. D is for discovery. Each letter's a key. E is for excitement in this learning spree. F is for the friends we'll make along the way. In the ABC adventure, we learn and play all day. G is for the games that make our minds so bright. H is for the heroes who always do what's right. I am for imagination, taking flight in dreams. Jump into the journey. It's more fun than it seems. K is for kindness, spreading joy and cheer. L is for learning something new each year. M is for the magic and stories we unfold. In the ABC adventure, our hearts and minds grow bold. N is for the numbers and the patterns we see. O is for the oceans, deep and mystery. P is for the puzzles, solving every clue. Join the ABC adventure. There's so much we can do. Q is for the questions that spark our curiosity. R is for the rainbow colors we can see. S is for the science in the stars up high. T is for the treasure, learning till we fly. U is for the universe, vast and full of light. V is for the voyage to new heights and sights. W is for wonder in the world we view. X marks the spot in the ABC crew. Y is for yes, we can in every way we strive. Z is for the zest that keeps our dreams alive. In the ABC adventure, each letter is a friend. Let's keep learning together from beginning